This conservation of angular momentum interactive calculator helps engineers determine angular velocities and moments of inertia in rotating systems based on conservation principles. Let's explore the calculation modes available in the drop-down menu. You can solve for final angular velocity, final moment of inertia, initial angular velocity, initial moment of inertia, velocity ratio, or analyze inertia change impact. For this demonstration, I've selected Solve for final angular velocity. The input fields include initial moment of inertia I1 in kilogram meters squared, initial angular velocity omega1 in radians per second, final moment of inertia I2 in kilogram meters squared, final angular velocity omega2 in radians per second, and inertia change as a percentage. Let me calculate using these values. Initial moment of inertia equals 10, initial angular velocity equals 10, final moment of inertia equals 10. Final angular velocity equals 10, and inertia change equals 10%. The results show initial angular momentum L1 equals 100 kilogram meters squared per second, final angular momentum L2 equals 100 kilogram meters squared per second, and final angular velocity omega2 equals 10 radians per second. The conservation status shows conserved with error less than 0.01%. Initial kinetic energy Ke1 equals 500 joules. Final kinetic energy Ke2 equals 500 joules, with energy change of 0 joules, showing negligible change. This calculator verifies conservation principles in your rotating systems. Find the link in the description below.